Hey, it's Christmas time in Seattle once again, and right now we are in the middle of a blizzard. Seattle never usually gets snow, but as I will show you, it is absolutely ridiculous out here. Nobody can get around. We are completely snowed in because I live on a hill. It is awful. Let's take a look around and see what we see, shall we? Now I'm going to walk you out to the street where the snow hasn't been touched, and we'll take a look at how deep it really is. As you can see, almost knee deep where I'm walking. Now I'm going to stick my arm in here. Pull that away and zoom in. It's very, very snowy here, and it sucks. I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas out there, and this is what Christmas '08 looks like in Seattle.